Welcome everyone, this is Jackie Williams. In this video, I want to share with you the brand new Moonlit Flora suite. Now this one is very special to those of us in New Zealand because it is very indicative of the culture here and the environment. So first we have the beautiful stamp set, and we have flowers and some patterns, butterflies, I believe that's a moth, and then of course some ferns. And then we have the dies, and this one right here is quite special. This is a fern and this is a fern leaf. And then we've got some florals and then the dies to go around the stamped images. And then there's also the dewdrop embellishments that are somewhat clear. So they have definitely a shiny, as the name implies, dewdrop sort of appearance. The star of the show are these beautiful, beautiful papers. Typically one side has these quite large, beautiful fern prints, and then the other side has more of a solid that coordinates with that. Some smaller prints. Then we have this one here with the yellow flowers. So a very beautiful paper set, and I've got some samples to share with you using some of those. Some of these prints are just so gorgeous as is. They make a perfect card front. Just add maybe a few gems and a word and you'd be all set to go. Now in this video, I want to share with you how to use these dies. They took a bit of figuring out. Now these make the flowers. So when you cut them, they are pretty small. I cut these ones in white and then these very tiny flower centers out of berry bursts. So this is how I've worked out that they go together. Now when you look at these white ones, there are 6, and you've got these 2 funny shaped ones. And then there's 2 medium size and then 2 that are just a bit larger than the others. So I kind of figured these 2, keep them on the gray so you can see them. I figured these 2 larger ones went together. So I'm just going to put a small dot of glue on that little bit wider piece, and then that skinnier one across the middle. And then I'll take the largest of these flower centers and just put that in the middle. Okay, and then this one goes together basically the same way. Oh, that was quite a bit of glue. Okay, now then these ones, I've made a few of these, and this is the easiest way I've found to do it. Take this one that just looks like a cup and put a dot of glue or a glue dot, whatever you're using, about in the middle. And then we're going to pick up this flower center that also kind of has a cuppy shape to it. And we're going to put that about here, about in the middle. And then this piece, I'm just going to glue it. You could use a couple of tiny, tiny pieces of dimensionals, but gluing it works just fine. And that's just gonna go over the top, but around the bottom like this. So you get kind of a side view of a flower. And then that makes your 3 flowers. Now I've seen it on some samples where the flowers are just kind of scattered throughout the ferns, and that looks great. But there is also this stem die, and you can put the 3 flowers on this, either flat or on dimensionals. So they would go something like that. Very beautiful and relatively simple once you see how they go together. So let's look at some samples where we've used these. I've used them here using the new Golden Glow for the flowers and then just white for the flower centers. And I've used the Sunburst background technique to showcase those papers and the beautiful coordination. Okay, then I've also used those flowers in this card doing exactly how I demonstrated with the white flower and the berry burst center, and then paired it with some of those pretty papers and the in color butterflies. And then on this scrapbooking layout, I've used those flowers with white with the golden glow as the center. I tried it first with the yellow flowers and the white center, like the papers, but it was just too much same. It kind of competed with the papers, and this lightened up that whole area, so I went with the white. And I failed to mention at the beginning of the video that this suite also has a beautiful fern embossing folder, and I absolutely love this. So this sample uses that beautiful fern embossing folder there in the background, just white. And then I've used the flowers that are in this suite. So it doesn't all have to be only ferns. Just did some simple coloring and stamping and just die cut out that middle one and used those beautiful dewdrops there. I also wanted to show a sample that went off the colorway from the suite. So I've used the new hydrangea hue and paired it with the crisp cantaloupe, just to show you some versatility. And then I've also used the folder to just make a card background here and use the Joseph's coat technique to make this one. And I love how this turned out. I particularly love these bokeh dots that I achieved here in the background, but otherwise a very simple card, just using the embossing folder and then just adding some gems, ribbon, and sentiment. And then this is just a cute little fun fold, and I will do a further video showing how to do this exact fold, but I wanted to just make another project that showcased both sides of the papers, the stamps, some more of the papers, and then this one shows the stamps and also the folder there again, and just make a cute little triple pocket fold card. And on the back, I love how that was actually just lucky that it turned out with this perfectly framed fern and butterfly and flowers. Now I have something very special to offer you, my YouTube viewers. I have written a PDF for these 5 projects: the scrapbook layout, the embossing folder card, the flower card, the sunburst background card, and then this more general card. So the PDF includes the written instructions for these projects, the cutting measurements, and a supply list. And I'm offering this for just a very special $5 because I really want to promote this suite. I love that they have highlighted something that's very special to New Zealand, and I really want to support you using and really enjoying this suite. So you can find the link for that in the video description. I appreciate your support and I hope you get lots of enjoyment from it. Feel free to share and save this video, leave me a comment, and of course subscribe. This is Jackie Williams. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.